MSI expands U.S. availability of Ryzen Z2 Extreme-powered Claw A8 gaming handheld. MSI has officially expanded the availability of its AMD-powered Claw A8 gaming handheld to the United States, several months after its initial launch in select global markets. The Claw A8 marks a significant milestone for MSI, as it is the company's first gaming handheld built around an AMD platform, specifically the Ryzen Z2 Extreme APU. The Claw A8 was originally introduced alongside other Ryzen Z2 Extreme-based handhelds but failed to achieve widespread availability at launch. MSI first released the device in China in July 2025, followed by a gradual rollout in additional regions. Until now, however, there had been no confirmed timeline for its arrival in the U.S. market. U.S. customers can now purchase the MSI Claw A8 directly from MSI's official online store at a retail price of $1,149. In addition, Excalibur is currently offering the handheld at a discounted pre-order price of $1,099. The device has also appeared on Noog's listings, though purchasing options were not yet available at the time of writing. The delayed U.S. launch is particularly notable given that competing Ryzen Z2 Extreme handhelds, such as Lenovo's Legion Go 2, arrived in October 2025. Around the same period, Asus also released the ROG Xbox Ally X, making MSI's late entry into the U.S. handheld market somewhat surprising. In terms of performance and usability, the MSI Claw A8 received generally positive feedback in in-depth reviews. The handheld delivers performance comparable to other Ryzen Z2 Extreme-powered devices, ensuring smooth gameplay across a wide range of modern titles. One of the standout improvements over the first-generation MSI Claw is battery life, which saw a noticeable upgrade. The display also impressed reviewers with its image quality and responsiveness. That said, the Claw A8 is not without compromises. It ships with 8 GB less RAM compared to MSI's Lunar Lake-based alternative, and its overall ergonomics could have been more refined. These factors may influence buyers who prioritize comfort during extended gaming sessions. For gamers seeking a slightly more affordable option with a smaller 7-inch display, the Asus ROG Xbox Ally X remains a strong competitor, retailing at $999.99. Still, the MSI Claw A8 stands as a solid AMD-based handheld that finally gives you as consumers another high-performance choice in the growing portable gaming market. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video with your friends and subscribe for more awesome reviews on budget-friendly tech. And of course, drop a comment. Love to hear what you think.